7, 8, go 1 and 2, coaster 3 and 4, go side rock, cross quarter 7 and 8, 1, 2, coaster 3 and 4, out 5, coaster 7, step, turn, quarter rock, cross samba, volta left, 5 and 6, and samba with 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and start again.
Coaster cross, side rock cross, shuffle, quarter turn. Out with a coaster step, repeat and out with a coaster step. Quarter turn with a samba and volta full turn. Twist to the right, 1, 2 and quarter turn out with a twist. Mambo go, 1 and 2, coaster 3 and 4, 5 and shuffle, quarter out, go 1, coaster 3 and 4, repeat coaster, quarter samba, 1, 2, volta full, 5 and 6 and 7 and whisk, go 1, 2 and quarter and go out, twist, everybody count, 1 and 2, shuffle, quarter turn, out, coaster, repeat, quarter samba, 1, volta full, and a whisk, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Ah, not bad, huh?